I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato soup in Cooking Simulator. To begin, you will need to gather your basic kitchen tools. Grab a large pot, a sharp knife, and a cutting board. Next, make sure you have all your ingredients ready, such as 4 ripe tomatoes, 1 onion, and some vegetable broth. Finally, place your pot on the stove and set the heat to medium, preparing it for the initial cooking steps. Now, let's prepare our fresh ingredients. Carefully chop 4 ripe tomatoes into small, uniform pieces. This helps them cook evenly. Next, take 1 medium onion and 2 cloves of garlic, dicing them finely to release their full flavor. Finally, accurately measure 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 cup of vegetable broth, ensuring you have everything ready for the next stage of cooking. With your ingredients prepped, it's time to start cooking. First, add the 2 tablespoons of olive oil to your heated pot. Sauté the diced onion and garlic until they are fragrant and slightly softened, which usually takes about 2 minutes. Then, add the chopped tomatoes and cook them for approximately 5 minutes. Finally, pour in the 1 cup of vegetable broth and let the soup simmer gently for 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. For the final steps, carefully transfer the cooked soup to a blender. Blend it until it achieves a perfectly smooth and creamy consistency, which is key for a delicious tomato soup. Next, season the soup with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, adjusting to taste if needed. Finally, pour the soup into a serving bowl and garnish it with a few fresh basil leaves before presenting it to your satisfied customers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.